Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my newest listing, 2133 Via Vita. This has got to be my most unique listing ever. It's an amazing cabin up in Mount Charleston, less than 1 mile away from the Lee Canyon Ski Resort. Guys, it's 2,700 square feet with 5 bedrooms. It's even got a 1-car garage, which is so rare for up there on the mountain. It also comes with a vacant lot adjacent to it, so you could build another structure. You could just have additional parking, more room for exploring. It's got a game room downstairs, tons of room in the middle floor, the fireplace and amazing views. The master bedroom even has its own balcony. Another bedroom has its own balcony, and the deck outside is massive. Plenty of space for lots of people, a fire pit, playing games outside, or just enjoying the weather. Guys, if you know anybody who has ever talked about owning a cabin up here, you've got to send this to them. There's only about 40 cabins up there that are next to the ski resort, so it's a very, very rare opportunity. Please share it with anyone you know and enjoy the tour.